much do you think we spent already on the motor?
Oh, I know for sure. With all those little things that you told me, I got 60% off, I got 50% off. I know it wasn't true. I got this for $60. I saw a transaction for $250. Honestly, let me see. I want to say a good $8,000, including this, getting it built. A good $8,000 on the car, just getting it back up and running.
Yo, straight up, you're a G though, man.
$8,000, huh? Yeah. I knew it.
What's up, everybody? So I just want to start off by saying huge shout out to MA Performance and EV Trans and Performance. Without them, this motor build would not have been possible. A little bit about the block itself. It's going to be a OEM crate motor straight from Mitsubishi, brand new virgin block. From the bottom, it has an equal force crank, Weisco pistons, Manley I-beams, and for the head itself, it's going to be a stage 1 block, a stage 1 head from MA Performance. Kelford 272s, Kiggly HLA, Kiggly Behives, GSE 0 tick lifters, stock cam gears, OEM Mitsubishi timing belt. But this thing is clean. I could not be more ecstatic and happy about the results. This is going to be what I enjoy. This is what I see going for the long run, and it's going to be a super solid build at the end. So stay tuned. A little bit of why we're here right now is due to this. This is all I have left of the piston, and that is why I had to get a new one. Something I'm gonna actually do to accompany this block itself is a JM Fab tubular manifold. So I'm ecstatic to see what is going on with it. Gonna do a huge refresh on everything, so stay tuned.
So name's Luis, co-owner of DB Trans and Performance. Pretty much all we do is engine builds from the bottom up, transmissions, pretty much anything you need from trans, T-cases to rear diffs. We got everything covered, so if you need anything, just hit us up. Located in Sacacito. You want to give us a call, or you can either shoot us an email at dbtransandperformance@gmail.com, or you can give us a call at 951-651-6025.
You're not gonna know what you're gonna do when the boost hits.
I might throw a rod on it.
Fuck no.
Again.
No way, dude.